In this video, let's see how a student can log into the Freadom app. Start by launching the Freadom app on your device. On the login screen, select the Student option. Tap on Start Learning. Enter your registered mobile number. And input the 4-digit OTP you received to log in. Once you're logged in, tap the 3-line menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, select the correct student profile if there are multiple profiles linked to your account. And now you're all set to start reading. Happy reading!